Hi everybody. Today I will discuss the new chapter, that is percentage. So what do you mean by percentage? Percentage means actually per means divided, and this cent means 100. Cent means 100. So percent, this means divided by 100. That means divided by 100 we can say, or we can say out of 100. So actually percent, that means suppose 7%. So 7% means 7% means divided by 100. That means out of 100, 7 is the mentioned part. So 7 by 100. Here the symbol of percentage is this one. This is the symbol. Here I used this symbol. So percentage means divided by 100 or out of 100. Suppose 125%. 125% means 125 out of 100. Now I will discuss some properties, that means some rules, how to convert fraction into a percentage. That type of property, suppose some rules I will discuss. Now fraction to percentage, how to convert. Suppose 7 by 9 this fraction is given, then how to convert it into percentage. Every time when we will make any terms, any fractional number or decimal number, then we have to multiply it by 100%. When we will make any number to percentage, then we have to multiply 100%. 100%, why we are multiplying that? Why not 200%? Why we are using here 100%? Because percent means 1 by 100, and from outside we can't take any number. So this 100, for adjusting this number we have to multiply 100. That's why 100 by 100. That means 100% we are taking when we will convert anything to percentage. So here 7 by 9 into 100%, that means 700 by 9%. Then we have to convert it into mixed fraction. 7 9s are 63, 70 again, 7 9s are 63, then 77 whole of 7 by 9%. So this is fraction to percentage. How to convert, that I have discussed. Now I will discuss percentage to fraction, how to convert. Suppose 15% there is given. So percent means we know that divided by 100. So 15 divided by 100. Now we have to make it in simplest form. So by 5 we can cut it. 5 3 is a 15 and 5 20 is a 100. So it will be 3 by 20. So this is percentage to fraction, how to convert. That's the answer, 3 by 20. 15% means 3 by 20. Now percentage to ratio. Percentage to ratio, how to convert. Suppose percentage to ratio. Suppose here is given 20%. Now how to convert it into ratio? 20% means what? 20 by 100. Then we have to make it in simplest form, this type of 1 by 5. Now we will convert it into ratio. We know that ratio is the one type of fraction, so it will be 1:5. Now ratio to percentage. How to convert ratio to percentage? Same thing will be, because ratio means we know that suppose 2:3 given. Suppose 2 is to 3 given. First, ratio to fraction we can convert, because in the before chapter we learned it. 2 is to 3 means 2 by 3. After that, this 2 by 3 will be converted into percentage. That means same process, it will be multiplied by 100%. Then we will calculate it. 200 by 3%. Percentage sign must be given there. Then 3 6 are 18. Again 3 6 are 18. 2 by 3. 66 whole of 2 by 3%. Now I will discuss percentage to decimal, how to convert. Here 28% that is given. We have to convert it into decimal. Now 28% means, at first percent means what to be, that will be written here. 28 by 100. Then we will convert it into decimal. That means 0.28, because 2 zeros here. So before 2 digit point will be there. So 0.28 will be the answer. And here another one example. 3.5% there is given. That means 3.5% means divided by 100. So this, then we have to make it into decimal. That's why here 2 zeros are here. So this point will be shifted before 2 digit. That means here will be 1 0 before 3. Then the point will be shifted there. That means this will be the answer. No need to cut here and no need to make it in fractional form 3.5. If you want, then you can make, that is not problem, but this is the easiest process to do it. No need to cut it, no need to make it in simplest form. Otherwise again we have to divide it by 100 to make it into decimal. We have to divide by another process. So better by percentage. Percentage means what we have to write, then directly we will convert it into decimal. That will be better. Now I will discuss how to convert decimal to percentage. Here decimal number I have taken 0.2. So first of all 0.2 means what will be, that we have to write. 0.2 means 2 by 10. That means we have to convert it into fraction. 2 by 10. Then I told that when we will make any number to percentage, then we have to multiply it by 100%. Don't forget to give symbol of percentage here. 100%. Then we'll make simplification here, then 20%. So decimal to percentage we will make 0.2 equal to 20%. Same process will be here. It will be also converted into fraction. After that we will make it into percentage. That means same process, multiply 100%. Then zeros will be cut. Then here 125 by 10 is left. Then it will be converted into decimal 12.5%, because 1 0 is here. So 1 digit before point will be 12.5%. That's the answer. Now coming to the exercise 8A from R.S. Agarwal book. Question number 1. Convert the following fraction into a percentage. So this fraction number 3 I have taken here, 3 by 8 there is given. So we have to convert it into percentage. That means same process, multiply 100%. Then we can make it in simplest form. That means 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. So 75 by 2%. That means 37 whole of 1 by 2%. This is the answer. Next number 8. 1 whole of 3 by 5. Then it will be converted into percentage. So first of all we have to make it in improper fraction. 1 whole of 3 by 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 3. That means 8. 8 by 5. So after that we'll make it into percentage. that means 100%. Then we'll cut it by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. That means 160%. So here for number 8, 160% is the answer. Sorry for one thing. Here exercise, this will be 10A, not 8A. 10A exercise. So now come to question number 2. Convert the following into a fraction. Here percentage is given. We have to convert it into fraction. So here first, what is the meaning of percentage, that we will write. That means we have to convert it first in proper fraction. 3 6 are 18. 1 carry, 3 2 are 6 plus 1, that means 7. 78 plus 2, that means 80. 80 by 3%. Then 80 by 3% means 1 by 100. We have to write what is the meaning of percent, that we have to write here 1 by 100. Then we can make it in simplest form. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. That means 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 3 5s are 15. This is the answer. Next question number 8. Here it can be converted into fraction. Here I remove the point, that's why I will get 100 for this point by removing this point. Next, this will be, now percentage means multiply 1 by 100. Now it can be cut by 5 because we have to make it in fraction, so we have to make obviously in simplest form. So by 5 we can cut it. 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 5 5s. Then again this will be cut by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5. Now the answer is 91 by 400. 4 into 100 means 400. So this is the answer. Now question number 3. Express the following as a ratio. So for 7.5% there is given question number 3. 3 under 3. So 7.5 means that point will be removed. That means 10 will come. Percentage. Then percentage means what will be, that we have to write. That means 1 by 100. Percentage means 1 by 100. Now it can be cut by 25. 25 4s are 100. 25 3s are 75. That means 3 by 4 10s are 40. Now we have to make it in ratio. This is fractional form, so easily we can make it in ratio. 3:40. Now question number 4. Convert the following ratio into a percentage. Question number 2. 16:25. That means first work is we have to convert it into fraction. Then to make it percentage, we know the rules. 16 by 25 into 100%. We have to multiply 100% with the number. Then by 25 we can cut it. Then the answer will be 16 4s are 64%. This is the answer. Now question number 5. Convert the following into decimal form. Under 5, 4 is there. 0.23%. So first 0.23 and this percent means 1 by 100. So 0.23 by 100. Then as because of here in the denominator 2 zeros are there, so this point will be shifted before 2 digit. So 2 3 will be here and then before 2-digit point will be shifted. That means 2 zeros will be here. I repeat once again, before 2, 3, that means 2-digit before point was there. Then for these 2 zeros, this point will be shifted before 2-digit. That means this will be this here. I have written that 0.0023. This will be here. So this is the answer. For understanding I am telling that, but no need to do it in the question, in the answers. No need to do. Next, convert the following decimals into a percentage. That means this decimal number is decimal form is given, then we have to convert into percentage. So this 0.07 means 7 by 100. Then percentage, to make a percentage, how to do? Directly you can write that 7%, because 7 by 100 means 7%, or another one process, that is 7 by 100 into 100%. This is another one process. This will be directly you can write that this one 7 by 100 means 7%, and this will be another one process. It is also correct. Then 7%. So any process will be applicable for this one sum.